Good morning, ma'am and sir. I'm Grace Taburada. I'm 39 years of age. I'm married. I have no kids. I'm living in Davao City. I'm a Filipina. Ma'am, I finished my contract this August 25, 2025. I stay here in Hong Kong for 8 years and just only one employer I have. I take care 2 children. I have Popo and Yeye. Mom, if you choose me as one of your helper, I'm very happy. I'm a kind of person, honest, have a initiative, responsibility, and also, ma'am, I know how to clean the house. I know how to go to market. I know how to take care of children. Ma'am, if you choose me if you one of your helper, I'm very happy to stay in your house and to accompany with you, ma'am and sir. Thank you, ma'am and sir.